Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we got a cleaning episode. I tell you what, my room gets messy so fast. It's unbelievable. I mean, I clean it and it's just, and then I think, I'm looking for something. And I just destroy it looking for it. I'm tearing it apart. Next thing you know, I look at it, it's like 12 o'clock. I can do it tomorrow. Then tomorrow comes, I'm looking for something else. Now I'm keep destroying. Well, now it's destroyed again. I did a video a while back, like, wow, clean your room. We're back to that wow, clean your room stage again. This time it's a little more epic. Well, maybe, I don't know. It's pretty bad. Yeah, it's not good. But anyways, we're doing some really major moving around. We're doing some overhaul room rearrangement. I'm just out of room here. I took a lot of my model railroad stuff out of here, which is, didn't really want to, but I took a lot of it out because I need more room. So I have a big cabinet outside I made for railroad stuff, and it's out there now in the garage. So we're going to do a major move around. It is pouring outside right now. It's like, oh my gosh, I don't know if you can hear that now. It's pretty quiet in here, but I step out in the garage, it's like, wow. It's like hurricane sounding. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a little bit what we're doing. And so Tony Lancer is over tonight, and he's like, you should move down here. And I thought, I thought about doing that. And I thought about here. I'm not sure, but I definitely wanted to move the Susie Bake Oven because I just want it in a different spot. I don't like where it plugs in at, and it's inconvenient. Plus, it's all the way across the room from the paint booth. So I'll show you what we've got going on. And once I do some cleanup, I'll bring you back. Okay, so this messy area is where I normally sit. Yeah, this kind of mad mess here. This is my usual sit spot. So I sit right next to the paint booth. So we're right next door. And I do this for laziness because I can just sit right here and, got to paint something, get up, spray it, boom, done. But I'm always bumping these with my chair, always bumping the airbrush rack and all that fun stuff. So I'm going to do is move the Susie Bake Oven here. That's what's going to happen. And my countertop, which is a mess once again, I'm going to move down here. So the Susie Bake Oven sits here on this shelf. So this is kind of under my, kind of get an idea of where we're at in the room here. So this sits here. So I want to move that out of here because I got a lot of models I can actually put there. And we're going to move this over to this other side. Follow the mess. We're going to put it in that corner right there. And then I am going to move down here where this mess is at. Man, this is trashed in here. Wow. What are you, 4? Yes, I feel like it sometimes. Now I got paint galore. I got to figure out where to put all this stuff. I'm not thinking, so there we have it. So let me clean a little up and I'll bring you back. All right, guys. It took a couple days. I'm not going to lie. I worked on this a couple days on and off. And yeah, we did kind of a transformation, just a kind of a rearrange a little bit. Not a lot, enough to make a difference. So I'll turn you around and I'll show you what we did. Okay, so walking in. First off, we cleaned this area up here a lot. This was like gnarly nasty. Yeah, so we got that almost cleaned off. A little ways to go yet, not too bad. And, we got this cleaned up here. So here's the big difference. Big difference. I used to sit right here. So now we got Susie Bake Oven here. And this table used to be further down. This used to be in the middle of the bench. So I moved it over. This used to sit about here. Probably about here, I'd say. So I moved it down a good foot. So I am now on this side of the bench with the chair. So we end up doing is clean this corner completely out over here. And we move this big shelf here down. Cleaned up this corner over here a little bit. And like I said, now this is the new work area over here. So this is where we're going to be from now on. And it worked out good because I could put my camera mount up there onto that shelf. That worked out really nice. So other than that, that's what we did. We did a kind of a complete arrangement because, I always was painting and I had my oven over on the other side on this shelf over here, which is nice because now I can put extra kits on there. And I always had to paint, and then I'd have to take the model and walk it all the way over while it's still wet. And I know sometimes I'd get dirt in it because I'd have the fans going or my mini split up there running, and I always get dust in it. So I figure this way here we can paint it, and then we can slide it right in the oven and leave it sit. So we also moved the airbrush holders So instead of being down here in the corner where they always got bumped, I took those off, and now those are up there. Plus, on this side of the bench, I don't know what I was thinking when I built this. The wood ends right here. You can see where that 2x4 is. So what was happening, that was starting to lean down and starting to split. I don't know if you guys ever noticed my videos, I'd lay something down and it'd roll. That's why, because I don't know why I never put like a support underneath there. It's got boards underneath there that, you know, supporting the two pieces as they come together, but nothing that went across. So I measured it up and put that 2x4 in there. So we're going to paint that black eventually. And like I say, we slid this bench down, or this end piece here, and went that way. So I don't know, I think it's a little better. We'll see. Tony Lance was there the other night and he says, you should change this around. He said, that's wasted space. You're not using that countertop. And I thought, yeah, you're right. I need to change up a little bit here. So that's what we did. We did a little change up, and we have, I believe, all the models are in here now. They are tucked completely under the benches. So all along the bench work, we have models everywhere. So we got stacks back there, underneath there, obviously here. And we still have our mass kind of shelving up top here. So, and same as over here, still the same. And then down here. So I took the railroad stuff completely out, and now that's just all models. So next I want to do, next time I get a little extra time, there's a blue tote down there that has model railroad stuff in it as well, and the tote on top, so it's going to go out in the other room and go from there. And I may do is take this cabinet down and move that back into the house. Like I say, I originally built this for the model railroad stuff, but it just kind of slowly migrating with cars and everything else. So either way, it may go down, it may stay, because I thought, you know, if I took it down, I can take this shelf, because I have the rest of the pieces, and add back to it and go all the way up to the ceiling, or put another display case. I'd like to get a Carney case maybe for it, but I think I might move a lot of the built models into the house, because like I say, most of them just sit in the cases that I go to the model shows with. That's where all my built models sit after they're done. So yeah. Okay guys, so there we have it. There's the little room transformation. A cleanup once again, because I'm a piggy. You know, don't take long, and I trashed the place, and it's like, oh man, now what are we gonna do? So there we have it. We got it nice and cleaned, and I think this is gonna work a lot better. Looks more functional. So yeah, so there we have it. Alright guys, I appreciate you tuning in, checking out the channel, and we will see you guys on the next video. You guys have a good one, and thanks for watching.